Organize with me. Join me as I get my room together one space at a time. Let's get organized.
To prevent debris from flying everywhere, I like to use a technique where I gently push up, let's call it a dust train. Once the train is lifted, I like to very gently slide down instead of pulling it apart like this, which causes debris to literally fly everywhere. I'm definitely pleased with the fact that I only used one paper towel to clean this ceiling fan versus using possibly like 15, which is so wasteful. Now the trade-off is definitely more steps because you will be going up and down and go to that bathroom to rinse it off. But waste reduced, toxins reduced with the cleaning spray. I'm gonna give it a W.